Hey there, pool party people. Getting ready to dive into summer with your very own above-ground pool. Yes! Before you grab your floaties and sunscreen, let's talk about your pool pump and filter. Think of them as the heart and lungs of your pool, honey. Installing them right is like giving your pool a fab makeover that lasts all season long. Installing your pump and filter correctly is major for keeping your pool sparkling clean and healthy. It's like laying down a flawless foundation for a sickening makeup look. It makes everything else better. Proper installation means your pump will run efficiently, saving you money on energy bills. Plus, it helps prevent leaks, damage, and those dreaded green algae explosions. Nobody wants swamp water, right? Remember, a happy pump is a happy pool. By taking the time to install everything correctly, you're ensuring years of fun in the sun. No more stressing about cloudy water or a busted pump. Just pure, unadulterated poolside bliss. So let's get started, shall we? Grab your tools and your favorite poolside beverage, and let's turn that backyard into a shimmering oasis. Okay, gorgeous, let's unbox this bad boy. Carefully unpack your pump and filter and lay out all the parts like you're organizing your makeup drawer. You should have the pump, the filter housing, a drain plug, some clamps, and maybe a few other goodies depending on your model. Check that everything is there and in good condition. Look for any cracks, dents, or missing pieces. If something seems off, contact the manufacturer before you go any further. It's better to be safe than sorry, Henny. Once you've done your inventory, it's time to get down to business. But first, a little tip. Keep your instruction manual handy. It's your new Bible for this project. Refer to it often, and don't be afraid to highlight, underline, or even write little love notes in the margins. The more familiar you are with the instructions, the smoother this whole process will be. Choosing the right spot for your pump is like picking the perfect outfit for a first date. It's all about finding the right fit. You want your pump to be close enough to the pool for easy plumbing connections, but not so close that it's a tripping hazard or an eyesore. Safety and style always. Look for a level, solid surface for your pump and filter. Avoid placing them on grass or dirt, as this can cause vibrations and even damage your equipment. A concrete slab or a sturdy platform is ideal. And remember, keep it shady. Direct sunlight can overheat your pump and shorten its lifespan. Another hot tip: think about noise. Pool pumps can be a little chatty, so you don't want to place it right under your bedroom window. Choose a location that's far enough away from living areas to minimize noise pollution. Your neighbors will thank you. Now it's time to channel your inner plumber. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Connecting your pump and filter to your pool is like piecing together a glamorous outfit. It's all about the right connections. Start by attaching the hoses to the corresponding inlets and outlets on your pump and filter. Make sure they're nice and snug. Next, connect the other ends of the hoses to the designated ports on your pool. These ports are usually clearly marked, but again, consult your instruction manual if you're unsure. Use the clamps provided to secure the hoses and prevent any leaks. Remember, tight connections are key here. Loose hoses can lead to leaks, reduced water flow, and a whole lot of unnecessary drama. So take your time, double check your work, and make sure those connections are on point.